I love you, baby.
I love you. I love you, baby boy. Yeah, you are my baby bird. Yeah, cookie spot. Yay! I don't have any. Sure, ready? Hot dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, he gave me big kisses.
Another one? We just did it. We just did it. Anthem. We're not going to do another. No. Don't argue. Waka.
Oh, giving you kisses.
No more hot dogs. No. I don't want to do a hot dog. No, I don't want to do a hot dog. We just did hot dog. Okay, we need a fist bump though. Yeah, get this bump. Yay! I don't have any. We just did a hot dog. And you didn't want to. You're a liar. You don't want a hot dog. Yeah. Well, I'm glad that you finally admitted it, that you didn't actually want one. Okay. I love you.
That was a pretty weak fist bump. He had his hand open.
Why so many hot dogs? Oh. Oh.
What you doing, baby?
Not another one. You want a papa? No, you don't.
Oh.
Where are you going to go? Over there? Okay. I don't think so. Huh?
Oh.
Why are you grabbing my face? Oh, you want tickles? Oh, was that a lie? Yeah, that was a lie, huh? You just said it, but you didn't really want the tickles. Yes, I love you. No, you don't. No, I don't want to do a hot dog. Why are you asking for? What was that? Don't bite me. Sure. Yay! Cookie spot! Yay! Here you go.
He's like, wait a minute.
I lied. I lied there too, didn't I? Yeah. Do I need to put Cheerios on the shopping list?
I think you do.
Yeah, cookie spot.
He doesn't know what else. He doesn't know what else he wants. Tickle, tickle. We actually got him saying tickle, tickle.
Maybe he was very quiet.
Oh.
Hey, that's my ear. You're going to take a snack out of my ear, and I don't think there's anything in there you want. Yeah.